if you zoom out a little bit and look at this rather astonishing deal that concludes 20 years of talks and basically creates a 2 billion person market that currently has trade of around in goods and services of almost 200 billion. It's clearly not just an economic move, but a political one. And if coupled with Canada's moves to
Mm,
uh, reach partial tariff deals with China, and if you consider that quite unusually, this move by the EU is accompanied by a security and defense partnership, it's very difficult not to see all this as a reaction to the position of the U.S. that views alliances, including trade alliances, with indifference, weaponizes tariffs in a way that I do believe is illegal under American law, and the Supreme Court has yet
mm.
to decide on this. And on the whims of a president or in reaction to geopolitical issues as pressure. Basically, all of this is a global readjustment to essentially circumvent the US at a time when the US appears to be doing everything in its power to remove itself from global supply chains and from the global economy.